Hi there, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making strawberry ice cream with a twist. We'll be substituting cream with Quark cheese to make this chilled dessert much healthier, plus high in protein. Now, to start with, we'll make the ice cream base. So, you'll need to take 4 large eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. Do this by either running the egg through your fingertips or passing the yolk from each half of the eggshell to separate the whites. And next, take a saucepan and pour in your 4 egg yolks along with 300 grams of Quark cheese. And at only 0.2 grams of fat per 100 grams, it's this ingredient that's going to make our ice cream much healthier. And next, add 4 tablespoons of runny honey to the saucepan. Also add 120 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk, then using a whisk mix these ingredients together until combined. Now place your saucepan over a low heat on the stove. Then, using a wooden spoon, continuously stir the mixture for 10 minutes. And after that time, and once your ice cream base is nice and smooth, remove it from the heat and then pour into a heat-proof bowl. Cover the mixture and then leave to cool completely in the fridge. And now we'll prepare our strawberry flavouring. So take 400 grams of washed strawberries and chop into halves. Then, using either a mini food processor or a blender, add your strawberries and then blitz until nice and smooth. And now take your blended strawberries and pour them into a sieve over a clean saucepan. Then stir the flavouring through the sieve in order to separate the pips from the strawberries, until you're left with a nice smooth seedless flavouring. Then add a further 4 tablespoons of runny honey, then place the saucepan on the stove over a low heat. We now need to thicken the flavouring up slightly, so do this while stirring continuously over the low heat for between 5 to 10 minutes. When the flavouring has started to turn slightly syrupy, remove from the heat, then leave to cool thoroughly. And then once both mixtures are cool, it's time to churn the ice cream. So remove the bowl and paddle from your ice cream maker, then take your 2 mixtures from the fridge. Firstly, and with the paddle in place, pour the ice cream base into the bowl, followed by the strawberry flavouring. Now put the bowl back into your ice cream maker and place the lid on top. We now need to leave the ice cream maker to churn the ice cream as per the instructions for your ice cream maker. Set your desired hardness setting if available, then leave to churn. Times will vary depending on your machine, but once you're happy with the consistency of your ice cream, stop the machine from churning. Remove the ice cream and then remove the paddle and scrape the ice cream from the paddle into a freezer-proof container. And then you can either serve your ice cream straight away, or if you feel it needs to firm up some more, place it in the freezer for a short while. And there you have it, that's how to make this tasty strawberry ice cream with a healthy twist which is perfect for a summer's day.